Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. I'm here today with you because I love, teaching. I'm passionate about teaching. So I have almost 22 years of experience in the IT industry. I trained thousands of people all over the world because I was initially working for the company, Unilever, in year 2000 and 2001. And after that, I love to teach Saturday, Sundays. I used to take a lot of classes for corporate worlds in Bangalore, Chennai, Mysore. I used to go to Mysore and take a lot of classes for Mysore campus because there is a big institution for Infosys in Mysore. And I used to go to Infosys campus in Mysore and used to take a lot of classes. Thousands of people have trained in Infosys. A lot of managers now in Infosys are my students. Clear? I used to take the classes in year 2006, 2007, and 8. Not only here in Bangalore, Wipro, in CGI. CGI is one more company where I trained a lot of IIT students for this the programming skills, and I trained a lot of mechanical guys for the C and other languages in KPIT Pune. So there is a company called KPIT Pune in Hinjawadi. So I trained thousands of people in Pune itself in 2008, 7, 6. I used to travel here and there. So I have a lot of experience in the teaching field completely, the IT courses. Clear? So I worked for a lot of ID companies like Patni Computers, Unilever, and HP. Then Accenture, Hyderabad. Then my last company was Microsoft to Hyderabad. I was with Microsoft Gachibowli, and I came out and I wanted to share my knowledge. So that is the reason I came out. I started my career with C and C++, then slowly jumped into SQL Server and little bit of .NET. Then in 2004, Microsoft released MSBA, Microsoft Business Intelligence. Bill Gates came to India. So Bill Gates came to India that time, Bangalore, and he released a SQL Server with Microsoft Business Intelligence in year 2005. I got the training from Microsoft itself in year 2005. 4 and 5 they were giving lot of training. So after that again we used to give trainings to other companies like Wipro, other Wipro, Infosys, a lot of other companies, Cognizant, Capgemini, HP, a lot of other companies where we used to go and give the trainings on BA. So business intelligence or data analytics, both of them are synonyms. Clear? Business intelligence or data analytics, both of them are synonyms. So let us talk about what is a business intelligence, what is a data analytics, and one more buzzword you can see, data science. Clear? So let me tell you what is a data analytics and data science. And before that, IT industry means what? IT industry means I stands for information, right? I stands for what? I means what? Information. Now you tell me, how do you get the information? If you wanted to get the information, the source will be data. Clear? The source will be data. But if you wanted to understand data, what is the course that you have to do in IT industry? There is a course called SQL. Remember, clear? So IT industry cannot do anything without data. Remember that. I stands for information technology. Information can be derived from the data. So if you wanted to get the data, if you wanted to store the data, if you wanted to manage the data, if you wanted to deal with the data, you have to know a language, or you need to know a software called SQL software. People will be calling this as a database management software or RDBMS software, relational database management system. Clear? So IT industry is going to be dealing with only one thing, that is what is called data, data, data. Clear? So you go to Google, you give some data, Google is going to process. Now you're dealing with the data. You go to Spotify, you wanted to play some song. So you're supplying some data, right, to that application. Application is processing. So anything whatever you see, if it is IT related, means you have to deal with the data. Clear? Without data, IT industry does not exist. IT industry is going to be dealing with the data, storing the data. So compulsorily, if you wanted to get into IT industry, what is that you have to learn? You have to learn SQL compulsorily. Clear? Or database management system, DBMS or RDBMS. Now, in biotechnology, microbiology, BCom, computers, everywhere, people are going to be introduced with SQL. Clear? What is SQL? SQL is all about storing data, retrieving data. So I can say SQL is nothing but a tank or storeroom where you're going to be putting the data, getting the data. So I can simplify it. I have a lot of gold. Where should I store the gold? Gold banks. I have a lot of blood. Where can I store the blood? Blood bank. I have a lot of data. Where can I store the data? Data bank. That is what is called a database. Clear? So that is also called as SQL, structured query language. Clear? If you wanted to store the data, you have to study SQL, or if you wanted to deal with the storing data, retrieving data means we are talking about database management system. So without SQL knowledge, you will not be able to work in the IT industry. Now, one guy is saying, sir, I am working for a testing, so I also knew SQL. So tomorrow you ask, somebody will say, I am learning Android, I am learning SAP, Java, .NET, data science, data analytics. Everybody has to learn SQL or RDBMS. Java guys have to learn SQL. RDBMS have to, data analytics guys. Everybody has to learn SQL and SQL. SQL means what? Structured query language, or it can store the data, it can process the data. It is a data bank, database or a data bank. Without data, you will not be able to get into IT industry. Without information, you will not be able to process anything. Am I clear? Now, let us understand what is data analytics. Okay, what is data analytics? And it is also called as a business intelligence. అర్థమవుతుందా? వాట్ ఈస్ డేటా అనలిటిక్స్ ఆర్ బిజినెస్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అంటే అండర్స్టాండింగ్ పాస్ట్. Understanding the past is called as data analytics, business intelligence. Clear? Understanding past or reporting the past. Reporting the past. For example, Amazon company wanted to know what was my last 5 years Christmas sales all over the world. What was my Diwali sales in last three Diwali sales in India. I wanted to see the sales of Diwali for last 5 years. Last 5 years is historical data or old data. Clear? So understanding the past is what is called as a data analytics. Lot of companies wanted to know, or Indian government wanted to know, what was the obesity rate in last 10 years in India. Government of India wanted to know, or ICICI Bank wanted to know, I wanted to know branch wise profits. Hyderabad branch, Delhi branch. I have, branch wise profit last 5 years. Clear? So you can ask your question, what was my last 5 years, savings? You can also ask your question, right? So you have some salary and you have a lot of expenditure. You can create a small report and you can talk to yourself saying that this was the salary for last 5 years, and this was the saving and this was the expenditure. So every company will have data, every human being will have data, every family will have data. They will have a lot of reports. That is fine. But now, when you have a large amount of data, if I have a family data, I can write it on the pen and paper. I can do the calculation, right? Your mother, your father will be doing the calculation. This is the salary I got it. These are the expenses, blah, blah, blah. They will be writing and they will be analyzing their own family data. So it is a very small amount of data. But when you have a large amount of data, think about Amazon company data. Think about a State Bank of India data. Think about a company called Walmart data, Netflix data. Do you think that that data can be stored in your diaries and notebooks? You will not be able to store the data, diaries and notebooks. You have to store the data where? In the SQL or RDBMS. So, when you have a large amount of data, you will not be able to store them in a simple books or simple Excel sheets. You have to store the data into the RDBMS. This is a software. You have to buy the bigger hardware. Then you need to install RDBMS software so that you will be able to store the data. But when you store the data, that is not enough. You need to again analyze the data. Now, last 5 years, what is the sales? Last 10 years, what was the sales? And last 5 years, what was the crime rate in India? Whether it's growing down or going up. So everybody, every company wanted to know. Police department, the home minister wanted to know how the crime rate in India. The Indian government wanted to know, health department wanted to know, the cancer patients and sugar diabetics patients, all these things, state wise, month wise reports they wanted to have everywhere. The reporting means they are talking about past data, last 5 years data, last 5 months data, last 10 years of data. That is what is called data analytics, or it is also called as business intelligence. Am I clear? So data analytics can be done on the small data. For example, your family savings or family expenditure. So data analytics is not a new thing. But what is new? New is we are going to use a large amount of data. We are not going to be doing manually. We are going to be using computers and software, hardware and software. With the help of that, we are going to be creating lot of data analytics. The new thing is that you are not going to be doing manually some calculations. You are giving the work to the computer. When the data is more, can you do it manually? So when the data is more, we use the calculator. If the calculator cannot do the calculations quickly, then we use the computers and with the help of a software, right? So end of the day, data analytics, business intelligence is not the new thing. We were doing it so using paper and pen. But now, because of the data is more and more, we are giving the same work to the computer and we are writing a lot of programming and everything. Clear? So data is going to be stored in the SQL, and business intelligence data analytics tools will analyze the data. Then we have one more software called data science. Clear? So data science is nothing but it is also called as nowadays machine learning, or it is also called as a artificial intelligence. So what is the meaning of a data science? It is predictions or predicting the future. Predict the future. Am I clear? So future predictions are called as data science. Clear? But this is also very important. You can predict, when will I get a sugar, or when can I get the, diabetics, when can I get the heart attack. You supply the historical data of last 10 years of data of your regular food habits, regular, body temperature, body, weight, and your habits. You give me, I can, the, data science algorithm can tell you, hey Bhaskar, you can get the, sugar or a heart attack at the age of 51. It can predict something. Clear? So by taking the historical data, so predictions or patterns, a lot of things it can do. So all the predictions can be done with the help of a data science. Clear? So you have a data analytics, or called as a business intelligence, or you have a data science or machine learning or artificial intelligence. Both of them needs what? Data. Without data, you cannot work in the IT industry. Even Java cannot work, Android cannot work, iOS cannot work, SAP cannot work, nothing can work. Even Google cannot work without data. So data is important. Clear? So data analytics, business intelligence means understanding the past or reporting the past. Am I clear? Data science and machine learning, artificial intelligence means what, Nana? Predicting the future. You can predict. So Amazon company wanted to predict what would be my sales in India next 5 years. So they wanted to predict. Clear? And what is that? For example, a manufacturing industry, automobile industry, car manufacturing industry, the Tata Motors wanted to predict. So how many products I have to keep in my inventory so that I have a smooth a production can happen, because if they don't predict properly, they will not be able to properly maintain. So to maintain, they need to do a lot of circus, because they have to get the lot of products from some of the products from Korea, India, South Africa, this one, that one. Some products are very very costly, some products will take 6 months to deliver. So they need to understand what is the production capacity. If I wanted to manufacture, so 100,000 cars or 2 million cars per year or per quarter, what is the inventory I have to maintain? So they need to predict it today. So prediction not so easy. Prediction not so easy. Today they are going to be implementing a data science and machine learning. Clear? So the data science and machine learning, where they can predict easily, they can tell you this is a stock you should maintain. Now even in Amazon company, they will run lot of Christmas offer, Thanksgiving day offers. They wanted to run lot of inventory. So in this Diwali, what is the stock we should be able to maintain? They would like to predict now, and they need to have the stocks country wise, state wise stocks. They need to predict. All the predictions can be done with the help of a data science. Am I clear? So if you want to get into IT industry, these are these are the courses where no coding is required. That is what is the beauty. Anyone can get into this. So no coding is required, no prior knowledge is required. It is very very simple. This is simply you can compare with as Excel sheets. Clear? But little bit coding will be there. The coding you need to learn compulsorily SQL. So here you have a 20% of coding. You need to have it. Clear? If you wanted to get into this. So in this we are going to be learning few courses. We are going to be learning SQL and ETL. All of them I'm going to be discussing what is ETL and everything. We'll discuss later. So data warehousing. Then you're going to be learning MSBA or PBA. So all these technologies comes under data analytics or business intelligence. So to complete this course, you will be able to take a minimum of 3 months of time. Clear? You don't know what is SQL, what is ETL. Don't worry about all of them. You can easily understand. But you wanted to jump into data science. This is also a beautiful course, but very, very complicated course. Okay. Again, you have to know data, because data means, I told you, data means SQL. SQL means RDBMS. What is SQL and everything you will discuss later. So don't worry about it. You have to know SQL. You have to know again data warehousing. You have to know Python. Python is the course people are learning here. And after that, you need to learn machine learning and artificial intelligence, deep learning, and neural networks and natural language processing. Lot of things are there. So this will be there for approximately 18 months course. Am I clear? So many people will Google and they'll say data science is very, very hot. So many YouTubers also telling data science also very, very hot, but it is more than hot, it is very, very complex, because you have to be good in stats. To learn this, you have to know good stats, you have to know good maths, and more than that, you have to have R&D skills, research and development skills you need to have. Clear? So it is not a 1 month course, a 2 months course. If you blindly jump into, data science by seeing a YouTube video, you will go mad, because many people will come to me, sir, I have learned data science by following my friend's words, but it was very, very difficult. I'm not able to get a job. So those people can easily jump into data analytics. So here, to understand data analytics, what is that you need to know? So many people will ask me this question. Nothing. If you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you are eligible for a data science, data analytics. Clear? If you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can join data analytics or business intelligence. These are simple courses anybody can learn. BA, BCom, botany, zoology, physics. I could teach this to dental doctors. One of the dental doctor joined and he wanted to understand his business, right? So any people, I had trained constables from crime of Hyderabad. So there are some four people from Hyderabad crime used to come and attend my classroom classes. I used to teach for the crime because I used to take the for the crime data. So they wanted to have a lot of reports on the crime data, but they don't know how to prepare. They were using Excel. So with Excel, they cannot deal with a large amount of data. All the Telangana government data, Andhra government police wanted to create a lot of reports, send it to central, and send it to chief minister of Telangana, chief minister of Andhra Pradesh. They wanted to analyze the data. So anybody can learn data analytics, business and intelligence. Constables used to come, even SIs used to come to understand this because they are part of the intelligence team. Clear? So they need to create a lot of reports and submit to their boss. Their boss is SP, Superintendent of Police, and Commissioner of Commissioners, and Chief Ministers of that particular country, particular state. Am I clear? So, if you have the data, you should be able to create, which is very, very easy. This will be very, very complex. You will become a data scientist. Scientist means you need to have a research skill in your brain, right? Without a research, you will not become a data scientist. Pure data scientist, you cannot, because you are not a software engineer. Software engineer means you will be called as a some engineer, but you will be called as a data scientist. So, scientist means you should be having a research and development skills. It is 18 months course. Both courses we are teaching, so you can join anything, but I don't recommend this now because which is very, very complicated, clear and complex, and it will take a lot of time, and you need to know statistics very well, maths very well, blah blah blah. But this one you can easily start. Any housewives, any people who wanted to come into IT industry and they get minimum 10 to 15 lakhs of salary within 3 to 4 years of experience. If you wanted to get it, so 10 to 15 lakhs of salary you will be able to get it. So you can get into data analytics. You will be able to learn all these things, because only if you learn Power BI you don't get a job. So compulsorily you have to learn all of them. So what is that you need to learn? I'll tell you. So you must learn compulsorily SQL. Without that, you cannot come into IT industry. This is what is called DBMS or database management. So people will be calling us different names. This will be 45 days course with us. But unfortunately, we don't have any live classes. Clear? We don't have any live classes, but how can you learn? You need to buy videos from us, and daily one video you need to practice. One video daily you need to practice. So it is 1 hour video. So 1 hour video will be there. So this is the first thing you need to start from today or tomorrow or from next week. So SQL videos you have to buy. Any BCom guy, any 10th class guy also can understand. Fortunately, we have Telugu version videos are available, or if you wanted to get English version, the English version videos are available. You can buy Telugu version or English version from us, and daily one video. So daily 1 hour video you have to watch in the evening. So you have to prepare like this. 1 hour video means you have to watch 15 minutes and write the notes. If you don't have a mood, stop it. And in the evening again you watch for 15 minutes. And if you don't have good mood, and stop it, and again you watch for 15 minutes, like that. It is 1 hour video. You have to compulsorily make a notes. Compulsorily you have to make the notes and everything. It will take a lot of time. Let it take time. So compulsorily you have to start this one. So we are going to be starting November month and December month. These 2 months, you people have to daily watch one SQL video or database video or RDBMS video. You can buy these videos from us. You cannot say that, sir, I have studied in my college, or my friend will teach me, or I have some videos. Those are useless. I'm telling you, you don't get anything. So we are going to be covering very, very advanced level. There are two parts. One is called SQL the other one is called TSQL, right? So SQL means structured query language. These are basic things. Okay, how to store data, how to retrieve data, basic things we're going to be giving here. And this is what is called advanced. So it is compulsorily you need to learn everything. You cannot say that my friend will teach me. I have some other videos. I'll go to YouTube. You are going to fail. That is for sure. Clear? So this is what one course you need to plan. The course is what? SQL. Clear? How to practice and everything I told you clearly. This is what you need to plan, guys. The next one I'm talking about. So what is the next course? The next course we are going to be having is Power BI. Clear? Power BI is going to be coming with the DAX, data analytical expressions. This will be again for 45 days from today. So till it will go to next month, because we are not going to have classes on Saturday and Sunday. We will have classes from Monday to Friday only. Clear? Saturday, Sunday, I don't have any classes. This will run for 45 days. These are live classes. You have to attend live classes daily morning, 8 o'clock, at 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. So daily you need to attend Monday, to Friday. So all the videos will get recorded. All videos are shared. Clear? All videos are shared. You can watch the videos, the 6 months validity for the course. Clear? Whatever be the reason, if you make the payment and discontinue, 6 months validity will be there. You can complete the course within that time. You will be able to have the videos for 6 months as well. So daily videos are posted to you. Clear? So if you miss the class, or if you don't have internet, or if you're not well, you're not able to attend the class, means don't worry, you will be able to see that day video. So daily videos are recorded, are going to be posted. Yeah, am I clear? So second course, daily you're going to be attending live classes 45 days. That means November and December you are busy with these two courses. Clear? So one is called SQL. The second course is called Power BI with the DAX. So what is the eligibility to learn these courses? Anybody who knows 2 plus 2 equals to 4, they can learn. These are very, very simple. I'll make it very, very simple. I will take Power BI, classes in live. It is purely there in English, but we have recorded Telugu videos as well. If you wanted to have, attend the English class, but you can get Telugu videos if you wanted to get it. Clear? So these videos will be given to you any version, either this or this will be given, but notes will be there in English. Clear? You can plan these two things in the month of November and December. This is not sufficient. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing we need to have. One more thing that we need to compulsorily we are going to be learning, and that is what is called ETL. So this is where we are going to be talking about either SSIS or we have Azure. This is a cloud. What is a cloud and everything you don't understand. So this is a 25 days course. That means it is a 1 month course. This we are going to be planning in the month of January 2023. Clear? So this is what is the complete module, but everything is very, very simple. You should not be worried about all these things. What is Azure? What is this? What is this? You should not be worried about everything. So you can understand all these things easily, and any non-IT guys can easily understand because no coding. If you come back, if you go back to 2010 or 2000 year, you have to know lot of coding you have to know. Today no coding is required. Drag and drop software. So these software, just like your WhatsApp, just like your Facebook, just like your any other softwares, you can easily understand these softwares, not at all complex. Clear? So after that, what we do the CV preparation. So I'm going to be doing CV preparation. I'll give you some sample CVs and everything. And if you wanted to have a project, one project is included. Okay, one project is included, and 3 to 4 assignments are included. a lot of complex assignments are included. So you can have in this, all of them are free. You need not make not even single rupee. Am I clear? So CV preparation and the project explanation and interview question, everything will be given. So interview questions, everything will be given. So assignments and everything will be given. Minimum, 3 to 4 years. So minimum 3 to 4 years experience you can put it. But even though you have a 10 years of experience, those should not be worried about it. You can tell them that I have 3 to 4 years of experience in the data analytics side. Remaining experience I'm having in the non-IT side or some other technology. Clear? You can minimum get 10 to 15 lakhs of salary package in India, right? In India, in abroad, you will be able to get a minimum 70K. 70K means it is approximately some 60 lakhs to 70 lakhs for US people. 70K USD per annum. Per annum. Clear? So in India, we will be able to get a minimum 10, 15. So they can go max up to 70K if they keep some 3 to 4 years or more than that. In US, they need to increase this. So I'm going to be covering from very, very basic level to till architect level. Basic level to architect level. Architect means designing the data warehousing and everything. I'm definitely challenged. You will not be able to get this kind of architecting sessions, data modeling, data architecting, data warehousing architecting, all these things you will not be able to get in YouTube. You Google it, you compare our classes with that classes. If you're a senior architecting guy, you will definitely love these classes, because I'm going to be starting from very, very basic level to advanced level. If you have a senior guys over there, so they can become a data architects. Clear? So that is what we are going to be covering here. So this is what you need to plan. So now total course will be how many months? It will be 3 months. Clear? So you cannot say that. So many people will come to you. You learn Power BI in 20 days and 10 days of SQL, and I will give you job. You give me 2 lakhs. You give me 3 lakhs. So if you believe those words, and definitely you are going to be losing the job as well as the confidence, and again you will settle down in the non-IT companies. Clear? If you're in hurry, nobody can help you. If you don't have problem with the time, then definitely you can do it. But if you're a hard-working guy, you can take my videos, all previous batch videos, you can take it. If you don't have a time, you should be able to watch the videos. I had one guy, 2008 guy, passed out, B Pharmacy guy, and he joined in month of February, and within 3 months he cracked 4 interviews with 14 lakhs of salary package. Pharmacy guy, 10 years he is working for Dr. Reddy's Laboratories as a pharmacist. That guy wanted to get into IT industry. He resigned. He was getting some 7 lakh salary package for last 10 years. He wanted to upgrade his skills and get into new technology, and worked almost for 10 hours per day. Right? That guy cracked the interviews, got 3 to 4 offer letters with 14 lakhs of salary package, jumped it. Now within a few years, you can go up to 30, 40 lakhs in India itself. Clear? I'm telling you, within a few years, the IT salaries will touch crores in India. I'm telling you. Clear? So my friends, all people who are working for Microsoft, everything, they're already getting more than 1.5 crore, 2 crores. Clear. But initially, I was getting in year 2000, I was getting only 3,000 rupees per month. Right? So I never expected that we get crores. But my friends who started their career, and we are from the same college, BSc Mathematics, we have done. Some people went into pharma, so I came to IT. So people who went into pharma, after 20 years of experience, their package is 35 lakhs. Now we got into crores. Tell me, where is the problem? The problem not into the man, the problem in the industry. Even though you're more intelligent, if you're working for the non-IT, then definitely your salary will be very, very less, even though you're an intelligent guy. Clear? So I had talked to many people. One guy told me the other day, sir, my friend and me completed my graduation and MBA in 2008. That was a recession, right? So that time my friends were learning software courses and they took 2 years time to get into software industry. I got a job within 6 months with MBA qualification. Now my salary is at 10 lakhs. Okay, they were having a lot of difficulties because recession that time. Their salary package is approximately 40 lakhs in Hyderabad. Clear? Both of them. I am also from BTech MBA. Those guys also BTech MBA. But I got a non-IT job. My salary package is now 10 lakhs. Now their salary package is 40 lakhs. Now tell me the difference is what? The difference is not, uh, you know, the in human, the difference is not in the qualification, the difference is in the industry. So if you wanted to get into IT industry, definitely you can get into IT industry, but definitely you need to have more, good gurus, more knowledge is required. Don't go into proxies, don't go into backdoor jobs, don't waste your money here and there. Yeah, am I clear? So today I spoke about only the general things. Tomorrow I'll talk about what is MSBI, what is Power BI, what is a data warehousing, what is SQL. Everything I'm going to be, talking in the tomorrow's class. And if you have, yeah, SSIS and Azure, everything I'll be talking about. And technically tomorrow we'll discuss. And guys, everybody has to fill this form. Tomorrow, meeting ID, same meeting ID tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you can use it. So demos are free. Please fill this form, guys. So this form will contain this data, your email address and your full name with the surname. Don't give initials, write the complete name as per your passport or social security number, or as per your Aadhaar card, mobile number where WhatsApp is attached. Click on subscribe. So when you give this data, you will be able to get discounts. Clear? If you're not able to get the form, write me a mail. Sir, I did not see the form in the chat window. So can you please send me the form? So what is advantage? You will get discounts. So the fees will be informed in the third day demo. So today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, let us not focus on the fee and everything. It will be nominal fee, and you are eligible for the discounts as well when you fill the form. If you don't get the form, write me email. Go online.bhaskar@gmail.com, bhaskarjogi@gmail.com. Anyone wanted to talk to me personally? I don't have any direct phone number. All these are my office phone numbers. You can mail me your phone number. I will call you back. I will talk to you personally. Right? You can write me email bhaskarjogi@gmail.com or go online.bhaskar. Sir, I wanted to talk to you. This is my phone number. So I will call you. I can talk to you personally. Clear? We are available in Hyderabad, Kukatpalli, KPHP, next to South India Shopping Mall. Right? So I am also working from home. I am not available in the office, but my team will be there. If you wanted to reach them, you can just go and meet them. And if you have any questions to ask, you can ask after this demo, or if you wanted to talk to me personally, you will be able to send me your phone number to these mail IDs, and you need to fill the form compulsorily. Clear? And all these phone numbers you need to have. If you have any issues, sir, I did not get daily recorded videos, whom to approach? You can mail me, or you can also call my Go Online operations head. So is Mr. Madhav, goonline.madhav@gmail.com. You can write a mail and CC to me, Bhaskar Jogi, or goonline.bhaskar. So you can also WhatsApp or call him, goonline.madhav. It is only escalations. Otherwise, you can call these numbers. If these people are not responding, means I am always there, my head is there. So always you need to reach these numbers. And this form also, if you don't get it, you can just ask me in the mail. Okay? So now, so we have also fresher jobs in India. If you want to apply, you can just get in touch with my operations team. They will be able to help you with the freshers placements. So freshers means only BE, BTech, MTech, BSc, MSc guys, 2021, 2022 passed outs. Sometimes they will take 2020 also, but many cases 2021, 2022 passed out. You can reach this guy. So you can send your CVs or if you have a friends, let them know that this guy can help you, because we are also running a consultancy, right? You can so go online trainings and consultancy. So we're running. So if you need any placement assistance means, you can also reach our team, and you can also reach our operations head. Chalo. We are also teaching a lot of other courses, not only Power BI, MSB, AWS, DevOps, Salesforce, Selenium testing, Azure SQL, and we are going to be launching next month onwards machine learning and data science as well. Clear? We are also launching new course called Python. I did not include. Python is also started, and data science or machine learning, right? So these are the courses. These are the courses we are going to be starting from next month, and already we have few courses, but data science is going to be starting. Chalo. So course details, anyone can learn this course. Hot skill into the market, high salary paid, no coding is required. 45 hours daily, 1 hour class, Monday to Friday. Daily recorded videos I'm going to be sharing so that you can watch them. Real-time topics are going to be covered, and sample CVs, CV preparation, everything is included. Online lab support will be given. If you have any doubts, you can write me emails at this is what I'm getting. So if you have any SQL questions, tomorrow you watch SQL Server videos, and next day morning when you attend the Power BI live class, you can ask SQL doubts also, so that don't worry about it. Sir, I'm a BCom guy, I don't know anything about SQL. Can I learn SQL easily? You can easily learn, so don't worry about it. Clear? Placement assistance can be provided, so don't worry about it. So, eligibility, who can learn this course? Any graduate, any non-IT professional, any year passed outs, teachers, sales professionals, housewives, healthcare professionals, banking or insurance professionals, anybody can learn this. BA, BSc, BCom, B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, MSc, MCom, MCA, BBA, MBA, Diploma, BTech, any branch, any year passed out. Don't ask me, sir, I am passed out year 2006, my age is 42, can I learn? 100% you can learn. Clear? So don't worry about your age. Don't worry about your, this one. Sir, I am not regular guy. I'm a, distance education guy. Can I learn? Why not? You will be able to easily get into IT industry. IT industry needs skills, not the education, not your qualification. Am I clear? You need to have one degree. So that is what. So SQL Server, Power BI, and MSB and Azure, everything we're going to be covering. So minimum 10 to 12 lakhs or 10 to 15 lakhs of salary you can expect. So minimum 8,000, 80,000 to 1 lakh salary you can expect in India. So minimum 3 to 4 years of experience when you put it. Remaining experience you can show. You can tell them that I was working for Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. First 6 months I am working as Excel, using Excel. Like last 4 years, I'm completely into Power BI. Clear? So you should not be worried about your PF account. So you should not close the PF account, guys. If you have a PF account, if you're getting some 20, 30,000 rupees salaries, if you're into non-IT companies, you should not close a PF account. That will be used. So at the time of applying IT jobs, if you have a PF account, don't close it. How we can show that, I will discuss with you in a separate class. Don't close any PFs. And if you're working for a company for last 10 years and getting only 25,000 rupees salary means, that is good. You can get minimum 25,000 rupees salary guy can get a minimum of 10 lakhs per annum, 70, 80,000 rupees. You will be able to get it. How? I will explain in the later classes. So don't close anything. So don't do anything. If you have a PF account, let it be there. And if you're getting payslips and everything from the previous company, let it be there. Clear? So this is what is the complete duration to get the placement and everything. So SQL Server and Power BI 2 months, November and December it will go. Data warehousing, SSIS, Azure in January it will go. CV preparation, interview preparation, documents and job placements will be done in the January itself. So you need to have minimum of 3 months time. So some people can crack the interviews in the January because of recession. So you may have number of calls are reduced because recession is temporary. What is permanent? Skill is permanent. Many people will tell me, sir, recession, I will not learn the course. Sir, recession, my friend told me I am not going to come to IT industry. So what is permanent? What is temporary? Permanent is skill. You need to improve your skill. So you should not be worried about the temporary things. So my friend told me that recession, sir. So how many times you will listen to your friend? One day you need to listen to your lecturer. You have to listen to your faculty, right? You have to listen to your gurus. Your friend is not your guru, right? Otherwise, he would also become a Bill Gates, right? So definitely, your friends are not ultimate resource from where you can take the their voices, and you should not stop the growth of yourself. I'm telling you, many people listen to the friends, and end of the day, so all of them will fail. Friend is failed is also failed because he never talked to the professionals. Clear? So recession is a temporary. What is permanent? Skill is permanent. Human brain by birth, it can learn anything. You teach commerce, it can learn. You teach analytics, it can learn. You teach software, it can learn. Only we will say, I am new to this field. So by birth, you are learning everything as a new one only, right? You teach SQL, so your brain can learn SQL from tomorrow. You should not be worried about it. Am I clear? So many people will tell me, sir, I am a BA guy. You are a BA guy, but your brain is not a BA brain. It is not a BCom brain, right? Brain is a brain. It can take any course. It can learn anything. Only you need to practice. Clear? But definitely, you have a lot of opportunities. So currently, IT industry is getting ready for the next recruitments and everything. By the time it is up, you have to be up. Clear? You put a minimum of 3 months time. If not, let it take 1 month extra, 2 months extra, especially housewives. So they don't have the time because of family burdens and lot of work. And if they're working in companies, they need to take care about the professional work and family work and kids. They don't have time. So let her take some more time. So it is not 3 months. Let it take 1 more month extra, 2 more month extra. No worries. But end of the day, they can easily crack the interviews, guys. Chalo. So, so recession, what should I do? I told you, recession is temporary. Skills are permanent, right? So nothing is permanent in this world. Everything, every business will have up and down. You have to, get ready for the next opportunities, guys. Clear? If you're getting a less salary means you're doing a crime. That is what I say always. Clear? If you're working for 20,000, 30,000 rupees today means you're doing a crime. Clear? You have a much more opportunities. Don't listen to the people. You listen to the professionals. You listen to the gurus, mentors. Clear? So that you can easily jump into any industry, but you need to catch a Rajamouli over there so that you can jump into very very good uh, growth you can see in your life. All the best, guys. Tomorrow I'll be talking about the completely technical things. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, same meeting you can use. And if you have any questions, I will take it. Now I'll be posting this into your emails. So send me your emails and everything by filling this form. If you have any questions, you can ask me now. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.